For more Bollywood gossip, hit the bell icon and never miss a video. Austria seems to have welcomed Sultan Salman with open arms. Fans from various parts of this calm country thronged the sets of Tiger Zinda Hai, where Salman was shooting with his former love interest Katrina Kaif. Besides commoners, Austrian actress Ronja Forcher dropped in to visit the Sultan of Bollywood. It was indeed a fan moment when these two lovely-looking people met and interacted. The diva was all smiles as she posed beside the Dabangg Khan, who indeed rules the industry. It was a special moment when a star of her stature came to see Salman in person, and fans were delighted by the array of pictures of the two which went viral. The two stars seem to share a mutual admiration for each other's work, and we hope that this meeting soon leads to a new joint venture. Now, wouldn't that be delightful? Let us know by commenting in the section below. Shah, the talented musical master, has revealed that he would be sharing the stage with Salman Khan in the Dabangg tour, and while he is quite excited about it, performing with the Sultan is making him nervous. There may also be a jugalbandi with Salman on Baby Ko Base Pasand Hai, and Badshah has also spilled the beans that he would be performing on Move Your Luck and also would be adding a new paragraph in Sonakshi Sinha's voice. The storm is indeed about to be unleashed. So hold your breath and watch out for the Dabangg tour to create magic in Kuala Lumpur, Hong Kong, Auckland, Sydney and Melbourne. Share your excitement in the comment section and keep watching this space for more breaking news from Dabangg tour. A recent picture of Malaika Arora Khan doing a handstand in the background of amazing waters and an equally beautiful sunset has brought in various reactions on Instagram. Yes, the dazzling diva looks physically fit and amazingly well maintained while in her fluorescent beachwear, and indeed draws all the attention that she is worth. Malaika Arora Khan and Arbaz Khan have been in the news for their rumored split, but are always seen together in family parties. Anyway, for now, we sure love this picture which brings out the fit diva in a different avatar. In fact, she has also said that doing a handstand is something she wants to do for a change. We simply dig her fitness quotient and sure would like to take a tip from her. Henna, what do you have to say about this fascinatingly impressive quotient brought about by this Chaya Chaya diva? Once upon a time, Salman and Katrina Kaif were considered to be a hot couple, and while we all were speculating that things would take a turn for the better and the two would tie the knot, the couple parted ways and moved on in life. But though we do miss their real-life chemistry, fans are delighted to witness their on-screen chemistry, which is by far the best we have ever seen. The two lovely-looking stars will be seen in Tiger Zinda Hai, where they are sharing an amazing chemistry. But it simply doesn't end here. The two were also spotted shooting for a special video for Splash, and we must say that it was amazing. Splash has indeed done a good job, and Salman with Katrina looked marvelous, making hearts beat hard and fast. So have you enjoyed this feast to the eyes? Let us know by commenting in the section below. Janhvi Kapoor was seen at the Mukesh Ambani party with none other than our very own Dabangg Bhaijan. Yes, and the party that was held for the Mumbai Indians win over Kolkata Knight Riders sure gave us another reason to celebrate the entry of a new Bollywood diva even before she is a star. For this, daughter of Sridevi and Boney Kapoor has all the masala to make a great starlet in the making. To be launched in Karan Johar's upcoming Hindi remake of the super hit Marathi flick Sairat, Janhvi sure has heads turning as she is full-on looking an experienced Bollywood actress, and her style quotient in the breezy white dress did not go unnoticed. For those who came in new, let us tell you that Janhvi was also seen with the Dharma Productions group But she sure has got full-on attention by being seen with Salman Khan, who was looking dapper in his black outfit. What is your take on this? Akshay Khanna finally speaks about his father's condition and his illness. Well, the actor replied to messages sent by media inquiring about his health. For those who have come in new, let us tell you that last week there was a lot of emotional turmoil after people saw a picture in which they found their handsome Vinod Khanna and their style icon in a very bad shape in the most frail condition. To tell the truth, people even concluded that he is dead, and rumors were rife about all this. When the picture showed his wife and his nephew in tow, everyone wondered where Akshay Khanna was. Well, now Akshay Khanna has replied, and he also thanked the hospital for the care and concern shown towards his father, and he also thanked everyone for inquiring about him. Akshay Khanna himself, last seen in a flick, is quite a shadow of his veteran actor father, and surely we pray Vinod Khanna gets back on his feet soon. Greek god Hrithik Roshan has spread his wings and ventured into Marathi cinema, making his debut in a cameo role for Vikram Fadne's directorial venture Ridhyantar. While the world-awaited news of the film, Hrithik himself has taken to Twitter to announce the release date. The Chris star tweeted, "So happy to announce release date of Ridhyantar, a film that I am happy to be a part of, directed by my friend Vikram Fadnis. Ridhyantar is an emotional tale which features Subodh Bhave, Mukta Barve, Manish Paul and Hrithik Roshan." Well, this does make us all excited to see how Hrithik fares as a Marathi Manus. What do you think? Let us know by commenting in the section below, and keep watching this space for more entertainment news from the world of cinema. Salman Khan seems to be leaving no stone unturned to help his ex Katrina Kaif bounce back in her career, and he's taking keen interest in showing her projects and recommending her name as well. It now seems that the Dabangg Khan has approached Aamir Khan to get Katrina Kaif on board for Thugs of Hindustan. This film is already special as it will have Big B sharing screen space with the perfectionist Aamir Khan for the first time. Presently, Katrina is busy shooting for Tiger Zinda Hai, and if she manages to bag Thugs of Hindustan, then her career is definitely going to get much needed boost. The final call is yet to be taken by Aditya Chopra and Aamir Khan, and while Aamir does not prefer repeating his heroines, we wonder if he will make an exception this time for Cat. What do you think? Let us know by commenting in the section below. Sairat lad Akash Thosar is back once more with Mahesh Manjrekar's upcoming film Foo, which is based on the life of 4 friends. It is a clear reflection of the lifestyle and language of the present generation, and Akash plays a pivotal role in the film. It will indeed be interesting to see how the National Award-winning film star will feature in Foo. Superstar Salman Khan has himself announced the return of Akash on Twitter with a picture and a tweet, "Sairat Throb. #Akash Thosar is back with @Mahesh Manjrekar's Foo." Incidentally, Salman will also be crooning his first Marathi number for the film Foo, Fun Unlimited, and this special situational track will be picturized on Akash. Now that's some interesting news, isn't it? So are you excited to see Akash to be a part of Foo? Let us know by commenting in the section below. Sushant Singh Rajput and Malaika Arora were seen performing together at the IPL opening ceremony, and it was a grand one indeed. Well, the Delhi star, who has become a real-life star today, performed to the famous Bachchan song Rang Barse, and Malaika Arora performed to Dholi Taro, interestingly her brother-in-law's song. Well, we all do know that Malaika and Arbaaz are going through a possible split, and this was quite intriguing to have her dance to Salman's numbers. Henna. Meanwhile, Sushant, more famous for his role as Dhoni, the Indian captain in the biopic, would have gone on a nostalgic real-life challenge as he was present in the cricket stadium. His performance as Dhoni went down well with the audience, and now this dance number with Malaika is a refreshing feel. What say? What do you feel about their performances? Do let us know. Well, we sure have seen better days with Sanjay Dutt and Salman Khan. However, the two do not meet eye to eye anymore. And do you know why and because of whom? Well, it is none other than our own Bollywood ki Mohini Madhuri Dixit Nene. But why would a diva like her do something like split two good friends? Well, she did actually, and quite inadvertently. Let us go back to the time when Sanjay was in the process of making his biopic. Yes, didn't we tell you that Sanju Baba would soon be out with a biopic with Ranbir Kapoor playing his role? So while he was in the process, Madhuri Dixit asked Salman Khan to tell Sanjay Dutt to exclude her name out of it. Hey, that is just not possible, for Madhuri did play a major role in Sanjay Dutt's life. Well, this led to the split because Sanjay did not like Salman speaking for Madhuri, and the rest is history. What do you have to say for this? Box office clashes have become a trend, but the excitement when two titans battle it out is really nail-biting. Initially, Secret Superstar was slated to release on 4th August, but out of the blue, Aamir postponed it to Diwali as he wished to avert any clash with SRK Anushka's untitled venture, which itself is clashing with Aki's Toilet Ek Prem Katha. Though Aamir did avert a collision here, it will run head-on a collision path with 2.0 and Rohit Shetty's successful Golmaal franchise Golmaal 4. While this is great news for all movie buffs, we wonder if the box office will be able to withstand the assault of such clashes, or how will it affect the finances of the film industry in the long run. What is your take on this? Let us know. As the industry insiders and fans are coming to terms with the shocking state of Vinod Khanna, who seems quite frail and weak while in the hospital, veteran actress Asha Parekh and Nightingale of India Lata Mangeshkar have expressed their concern and sent wishes to the hero. Asha Parekh has fond memories of his Aa Milo Sajna and Main Tulsi Tere Aangan Ki co-star, and she expressed her emotion stating, "It's a very unfortunate thing that he is not feeling well. I pray to God that he recovers very fast. He was a very handsome guy. It's sad to know he is not keeping well. My prayers and good wishes are with Shri Vinod Khanna for a speedy recovery, one of the finest artists of our industry." While wishes have been pouring in from all fronts, you too can send in your wishes by commenting in the section below.
There was an article that your son is going to do debut in Bollywood very soon. So can you confirm that?
No, I think you haven't been reading up the papers. Salman's not launching My Son. He signed a movie with Phantom Films, so they would be starting shooting soon. सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट है कि जो गर्मी शुरू हुई है बम्बई में उसको कॉम्बैक्ट करने के लिए दिस इज़ फैंटास्टिक. इट्स ऑल द फैब्रिक्स आर वेरी ब्रीजी, वेरी एरी एंड lovely colors to make you feel happy.
Have you ever walked ramp for a bike
No, but she's an extremely close friend of mine, and what I'm wearing is Mahika's also.
Which one is your most close one, favorite one from this collection?
Well, I have picked the best, and of course the styling is with lots of frills and flounces. So I think that's going to be looking very, very feminine, and my daughter is actually here, so she's going to pick up a few of her Mahika's pieces for sure.
Okay, apart from this, where we are going to see you next after your TV show?
अब अभी देख के आंखें सेक लीजिए.
करीना, करीना जी, अरे इधर देखो ना, करीना जी, करीना जी, करीना जी, अबे उधर हो. चलो चलो प्लीज ये भाई साहब